The iShares Russell 1000 Value ETF, IWD, is a widely followed exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the performance of the Russell 1000 Value Index. The ETF is managed by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers. The Russell 1000 Value Index is a market-capitalization-weighted index that consists of the value-oriented portion of the Russell 1000 Index, which is itself a broadly diversified index of large and mid-cap U.S. stocks. The value orientation of the index is determined by a variety of metrics, including price-to-book ratio, price-to-earnings ratio, and dividend yield. Investors often use IWD as a tool for gaining exposure to the U.S. stock market, with a focus on value-oriented stocks. These stocks are typically characterized by lower valuations and higher dividends relative to the overall market, and they have historically offered the potential for higher returns over the long term. IWD offers a number of benefits to investors. One key advantage is its low expense ratio, which is currently 0.20% per year. This is significantly lower than the average expense ratio for actively managed mutual funds, making IWD a cost-effective option for investors. IWD is also highly liquid, with an average daily trading volume of over 4 million shares. This makes it easy for investors to buy and sell shares of the ETF as needed. In terms of performance, IWD has delivered strong returns for investors over the long term. Since its inception in 2000, the ETF has generated an annualized return of 8.91%. This compares favorably to the 7.70% annualized return of the S&P 500 index over the same time period. One potential risk for investors in IWD is the inherent risk of the stock market. As with any investment in stocks, the value of IWD's holdings can fluctuate significantly in response to changes in market conditions. This can lead to short-term volatility in the ETF's price. Overall, the iShares Russell 1000 Value ETF is a well-respected and widely followed ETF that offers investors a low-cost way to gain exposure to a diverse basket of value-oriented stocks. Its strong long-term performance, low expense ratio, and high liquidity make it an attractive option for many investors.